If you're on a weight loss diet, here's a secret that may move the scale a little faster for you. Ditch the ultra-processed foods. In a new study, people lost twice as much weight following a diet of minimally processed foods compared to one with ultra-processed products. Think overnight oats and homemade spaghetti bolognese versus packaged oat bars and ready-made lasagna. Researchers recruited 55 adults who took turns following each of the diets for 8 weeks. Meals were delivered to their homes, and they were instructed to eat as much or as little as they wanted. Both the minimally processed and ultra-processed diets were nutritionally matched in accordance with UK guidelines for things like fat, protein, carbs, salt, and fiber. Overall, the participants lost about 2% of their body weight when eating minimally processed foods compared to 1% on the ultra-processed diet. The lead author says that may not sound like a lot, but the results only cover 8 weeks. He says over the course of a year, we'd expect to see a 13% weight reduction in men and a 9% reduction in women on the minimally processed diet, but only a 4% weight reduction in men and 5% in women after the ultra-processed diet. The researchers found people on a minimally processed diet ate fewer daily calories and had greater control over food cravings.